Hey everybody, hot off the press. Governor Ducey just signed a bill forbidding the use of a cell phone in the manner of which a lot of us, I'm sure, are pretty used to. Texting, that includes emailing, that includes looking at apps on your phone, that also includes anything where you're holding the telephone if your vehicle is moving. If you're at a stop or you're parked, it's okay. Or you can use your phone while you're driving as long as you're using your Bluetooth or some kind of a wired earpiece. But your hands or any part of your body can't be touching your phone. That's the bottom line. If you get caught, in other words, if the police pull you over, you don't get a fine until the year of 2021. So they put off the penalty, if you will, to that. But here's the issue that I see. I see that that's going to be a pretextual reason for a police officer to pull you over. Let me give you an example. You're driving on the road at night. He sees a glow, presumably from your cell phone, that maybe is laying in your lap, or maybe in your hand, maybe it's in the console, maybe it's sitting in the cup holder, but he sees a glow. They're on their cell phone. He pulls you over. No harm, no foul, no fine. You're not using your cell phone. You tell him can't penalize you if you actually get caught with your cell phone. But suppose you've been drinking. Suppose you've had one drink. Now all of a sudden he smells alcohol on you, and he arrests you for DUI. My point is, don't put the thing away, put it in the glove box so there's no glow. Make sure you're not using it when you're driving on the road. Use your headset, whether it's wired or not wired. Use the Bluetooth that comes with the car if it does, and learn how all the commands can be voice activated. You'll save yourself a lot of hassle. And I should say, get yourself one of the holders that either fit on the dashboard that do not obstruct your vision, and I've gone over that before in a prior video. If you get one of these big holders that comes down from the windshield and it obstructs your vision in any way, that's a reason to pull you over. Again, my point is, don't give any law enforcement a reason to pull you over, especially with a cell phone, because if they discover something else, that's a valid reason to pull you over if they think you were using the cell phone. And who's to say, really, if you weren't? This is going to become, I see or envision, a huge problem. I mean, the law is warranted for sure. I've represented so many individuals that I believe were hit, especially bikers, hit by motorists using cell phones. But I've also seen one or two people going down the road on a Harley with a cell phone in their clutch hand while they were looking down at the phone and driving or riding. I can't believe that, but in any event, you need to be focused on your driving, even with all the doodads and gizmos you have on the dashboard of especially new cars. But get that phone a holder someplace where you're not touching it, and it's voice activated to call Susie Q or whoever it may be, your mom, your dad, whatever. You can still use it for GPS and navigation, but again, you can't be touching that cell phone with your finger while you're holding it. And you really shouldn't be touching it while you're going on the road, even in a holder of some sort on the dashboard. So just be aware that now the police can pull you over if they believe you've been using your cell phone while you're moving in a vehicle, and that could lead to all other sorts of problems, okay? But no texting the entire state. This isn't just Maricopa County, this is the entire state of Arizona, and there will be signs up everywhere as people enter the state of Arizona that'll probably say no cell phone use. It's got to be hands-free, okay? Hope that helps you out here and you understand what I'm trying to tell you. Thank you.